how to delete Snapchat account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's guide, I'll show you how you can permanently delete a Snapchat account. So for that, open up your Snapchat and then go to your profile icon on the top left and then go to the settings icon on the top right. Now, scroll down and you'll find the delete account option. Just tap on it and then here you'll need to follow the set of instructions given by the Snapchat to delete your account. You can see that you'll need to put in your username and your password and hit continue and just follow the instructions, and then after 30 days your account will be deleted. If you want to reactivate your account, you'll need to log in within the 30 days. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.